wanted everything, and they weren't.
Hey, how much is that pressure washer? I'm looking for one.
Well, I didn't run the socket.
Yeah, we're stuck with oil.
We ran drills. It just happened when we didn't have serial numbers attached to them, so that made the job easy.
They were all filed off. Don't worry about that part. Hey, how much do you want for that pressure washer? I'm kind of looking for one.
It's free today. They only.
Will it fit in the backseat of a Charger? No.
T-A-N-T-O-N?
I'm going to eat them until they take the box out.
Exactly. You're going to say if they're free, I'll give them free.
That's probably why they want me to keep them in here.
Yes.
As long as you keep out the big guys on the office. That's
Yeah. No, that's just, I'll leave it. That's probably good. Never good.
There you go. Now you're thinking.
Hello?
Hey, where the subs at?
There's a couple of people here that are just now getting their food, and because there are some gophers in the back buried themselves back here, so, and I'll be done. Actually, it should probably only be about another 5 minutes before I run down there. All right. Bye.
Back to the truck shop.
No, never. Oh, Kevin Roberts. She was like, "Where's the food, damn it?"
Where's he at?
He's in the precinct.
In the air conditioning.
Yeah.
With a chair.
Yeah. But actually, his chair doesn't have any wheels because remember.
He has fans in his office.
I think Randy pulled the wheels off his chair.
25:38.
We called that one right off. Precinct. Yep, they're called about the subs. Hey, where the sandwiches at?
Well, they're waiting 5 minutes, 25 after 12. So.
I wonder how much of this jewelry is stolen. You'll never know, right?
A lot of it. I'd send it over to that company that when you drop it in the mail and they send you a check.
Yeah.
Let them melt it down.
There you go.
I went to the address over on Easy Street. I gotta get over to the guy who goes, wait a minute,
No.
there's no check.
Some of it belongs to somebody.
All right, now that's just a little much. I can see having a choice of meat, but no chips? That's a little much. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, great. The cranky guy is back, Barbara.
My red shirt.
Yeah.
Hey, when they bond out of jail, can they come back and run their business? Anybody know?
Well, you know, we're imaging the computer so that they can open back up. So my guess would be yes.
Is it unethical if I come back and buy shit?
Check out how much they paid for it first.